In this video, I'm going to walk you through a very low cost sales funnel, which I've gone ahead and set up, which is only going to cost you about $25 to set up. It's going to allow you to build your email list. I'm going to give you 50 days worth of email follow-up. I'm going to give you free traffic training, and you're going to be able to copy my entire system. So let's jump over to my screen. I'm going to walk you through the flow of this sales funnel. Then we'll jump over and actually do a live walkthrough of the sales funnel. And then I'm going to show you guys where to actually, go ahead and set this up. All right. So without further ado, no fluff. This is going to be 100% content. I'm going to pack it into a nice short video. So if you guys want to set up this system, you can go ahead and do so. So let's jump over to my screen here. All right. So what you're looking at here is a simple sales funnel process that I quickly set up just to give you a view of what this actually does. Okay, so what we're going to be working on here is a 4-step system. The only step that you actually have to pay for right out of the gate is the $25 entry fee to become an Easy One Up affiliate. Okay, now this does have scaling products, but I'll go over that in the later in this video. But the sales funnel builder that I use is a 14-day free trial, which you'll be able to set up. And then your Aweber account is actually free up until 500 subscribers. Okay, so the goal of this system is to get traffic, and we're going to be sending traffic to our landing page. Now, the landing page is going to capture their name and their email, and when they enter their name and their email, two things are going to happen. They're going to get added to our email list, which I have a 50-day done for you email sequence, which you're going to be able to copy, and those emails are going to go out for 50 days and follow up with these leads that are entering their info into the landing page. Now, the first step of the sales funnel is our sales page. Now, this is where people are going to go through and they're going to purchase our Easy One Up product. Now, the Easy One product varies from $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, and $2,000 products. Now, each product is a different training product. So obviously the $25 is your more basic, and as you go up and as you make sales, right? So you make a few $25 sales, you purchase the $100 product, you make a few $100 sales, you purchase the $250, and this scales as you build your business. Okay, so as you unlock new products, you're going to unlock new training, which is going to unlock new skills, which is going to allow you to scale your business even further. All right, so that is step number one, right? You can get started for $25. Now, every step after this is all free. So the sales funnel copy step, you can actually get a free 14-day trial of Drop Funnels, which is the software that I use to create these funnels. I'm going to be going over that here in this video, so make sure you stay to the very end. And if you guys are enjoying this content, please make sure by giving me a thumbs up in this video to let me know that you guys enjoy this kind of breakdown of the actual sales funnel in this video. I would love to hear your feedback, so make sure, give this video a thumbs up. That will be the easiest way for me to gauge if you enjoy this content, okay? So now that you have your sales funnel set up, we're going to go into setting your email list up, all right? Now, once you set your email list up, you're going to get those 50 days worth of emails automatically put into your Aweber. That's going to allow you to automatically follow up with these leads, all right? So everything is done. All you have to do is follow along these steps, okay? I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to give you a bird's eye view of the sales funnel. And then if you guys want to get started, there will be a link in the description below where you can get started with this sales funnel and set it up. It will take you less than 1 hour, even if you're brand new. All right, so now that we have powered through the breakdown of the sales funnel, let's actually go and see it live, okay? So this is the Easy One Up platform, okay? So this is our main product. As you guys see here, this is the Vertex product. So if we go under My Products, you'll see that I have unlocked all the way up to the $500 product, okay? So I went and started with the $500 product. You can start with the 25, the 100, the 250, the 500, whatever you see fit, wherever your budget allows you. But remember, you're going to earn 100% commissions on whatever products you own. So I bought the $500 product. It grandfathered me into the lower tiers. So now I'll unlock the ability to earn not only $25 commissions, but $100 commissions, $250 commissions, and $500 commissions when people go through this sales funnel and they claim step number one, okay? Because people are going to go through, some are going to start at $25, some are going to start at $250. So if you're not unlocked at the $250, you will not get that commission, okay? So that is one thing that you want to be very, very certain of, is if you're going to get started with this and you're going to be sending traffic, you don't just want to have the lowest tier, because if somebody signs up and they make a $500 purchase, you will sadly only get $25, okay? So you want to make sure that you're locked in at the highest possible section or the highest possible product to unlock the amount of commissions that you want, okay? So for me, I don't believe anybody is going to be purchasing the $1,000 product right out of, cold traffic, so I ended up going with the 500. But like I said, in this, in this product, there's tons of different trainings, right? You have your mindset trainings, LinkedIn, YouTube, Skype, like all these sorts of different trainings that you can dive into and hone your skills, okay? That is the goal of this product, to hone your skills and learn marketing methods, okay? So that's step number one. So if we actually go over to the sales funnel, you see we have our drop funnels account, which allows us to build these sales funnels on a WordPress hosted website, which actually gets us ranked and gets us free traffic from Google, okay? So if we look over here, the statistics, right? So we've only had about 40 clicks so far. I have traffic scheduled to start on Monday, okay? So I'm doing a little bit of tweaking, and the cool thing about this is whenever I tweak and edit the system, it automatically updates for everyone that is using this system, okay? So that is one cool feature about this. So as we see here, 30% click-through rate from the steps, which is very good, okay? So I'm going to be working on, getting these a little bit higher as we run traffic. But if we go over to the funnel flow, you're going to see step number one, right? We have our simple landing page. Now I'm going to be testing different landing pages, and I'm going to be changing these out to increase the conversions, okay? Everything is going to be conversion based. So as this funnel gets more traffic sent to it, as I get more, analytics and stuff like that, I'm going to be editing, I'm going to be changing things to, increase the amount of money that you can make per viewer, all right? So this is not just going to be a set and forget system. This is going to be something that I'm going to be updating on a regular basis. Step number one, they enter their email, their name, and they're going to get sent over to this video, all right? So this video right here is going to walk them through how to set up their Easy One Up account. If they click this button, they're going to get redirected over to the Easy One Up sign up page, okay? So when you set up your system, you're going to change out my affiliate link with your affiliate link, and then you're going to be able to earn commissions. So then once they set up their Easy One Up account, they're going to click here where it says continue to get your free system. And again, if you have any questions, you can message me directly on Facebook by clicking that button. So they'll click here, they'll get sent over to the step number 2 video where I walk them through how to set up their drop funnels account. So when they click there, they're going to get a 14-day free trial of drop funnels, which if you guys look here, there's no limitations, there's no, you can do anything that you want. There's a link tracker built into it. There is a WordPress hosted website. So if we actually go over here and I open up in a new tab, my entire blog is created on this simple platform. So this completely replaced all of my needs for ClickFunnels. It replaced all of my needs for Power Lead System because that's what I used to create these sales funnels on, which allowed me to share them with my team. It replaces the need for a link tracker. It replaces the need for a blog software. Like this is the most all-inclusive, software that I've seen online in a very long time. So that is one of the reasons why I actually, recreated all of my sales funnels and I'm setting them up under drop funnels because it's cheap and it allows you to do everything that you need when it comes to marketing online, right? We need to be able to create endless funnels. We need to be able to easily share and stuff like that. So Drop Funnels is an amazing platform, and I highly, highly recommend, even if you just go through and you enter the $25 and it's free to set this up. So you can get a 14-day free trial of Drop Funnels. You can see how easy it is to copy this sales funnel over and set everything up. So it is definitely something that you want to, check. Now, another cool thing with Drop Funnels is, as you guys see here, it's like WordPress. So I'm actually logged in. So if I wanted to make an edit to this page, I could simply just click on my Drop Funnels tab, and then you can actually edit anything in this tab here. So I'm just going to pause that video, but you can actually edit anything in this tab here. And, if we wanted to change this button, we can just go here to the general tab. We can change the name. We can replace the check mark. It'll pull up, all sorts of different images and stuff like that. So like it's crazy how much this platform does, and it still blows my mind when I'm actually creating these sales funnels. So it is, something that's very new, but it's very easy to get set up. It's very easy to get in tune with. As you guys see, I'm setting up tons of different funnels, and all of the sales funnels that are converting are going to be launched out to the team. So it is definitely recommended that, you go through, you subscribe, you set up this sales funnel, and you just start, checking around the site and see different things like that. Okay. So as we, kind of got sidetracked there, we're going to jump back to this. So once you set up your sales funnel, or once you set up your Drop Funnels account, you're going to get sent over to your sales funnel. This is where you're actually going to be able to copy your sales funnel. So you click this button, and if you're logged into Drop Funnels, it's just going to automatically load this sales funnel into your account. And then, in the videos, I walk you through how to change out the links and everything like that. So once you've got that set up, you're going to want to build your email list. Okay, so we'll go over here. So now the cool thing about this is you're going to get your Aweber list code. So you're just going to plug this into your Aweber account, and this is going to allow you to get my 50 days worth of email follow-up. And the email follow-up is very easy to set up. You don't actually have to go through and change the links in every single email. There's just one main email link which you go through and change. So it's very simple. Like there's not too much tech stuff that you need to learn or anything. It's a very simple process. My main goal of, setting all these funnels up, if you go over to the sixfiguremarketersclub.com, you'll see, it's making money online, but keeping it super simple. Okay. So these sales funnels are simple. Everything is simple. It's set up for, newbies and people that, just want fast money. They want fast results, right? You want something that is a well-oiled machine and it works in the background with or without you. So I can send traffic to this, right? Say I spend $40 on a solo ad. I need 2 sales from my front end offer to, recuperate that money from that solo ad. So if I'm able to do that, then that's a profitable sales funnel, and we just continuously send traffic to it until it's not profitable anymore. And you can, obviously make tweaks and stuff like that. So that's one cool thing about this. And if we go over to the traffic page, I do also have 5 different traffic videos which you can go through, how to get traffic on Facebook, how to get traffic on YouTube, how to send out daily email broadcasts. Udemy Solo Ads, which is the online traffic vendor that I use, and a new one, which is the Bitbox Buyer Traffic. That is a crypto platform which allows you to get buyer traffic to your links on a daily basis. Okay, so that is definitely one that you want to be checking out. And then there's obviously all the tools and everything in the description there below. And this is a 100% free training. It does not cost anything. If you actually go over to the sixfiguremarketersclub.com, you can actually get this training 100% free. So you can get that training. And if you guys want to join the club, you can actually order your own money mask. Now, these are very low cost. I think they're like $20. I set them up myself and I created them. So if you guys want to check out the money mask, you can go ahead and do that, and you can place one of your orders. It is literally stacks of cash on a mask. So I can't think of anything cooler to be wearing around, since everywhere is currently set up with masks. So definitely check that out if you guys want to order one, and it'll help support the channel and stuff like that. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure, if you guys want to set this sales funnel up, go for it. It is definitely something that I'm going to be mainly focusing on, as it is a nice source of instant income, and it will also build your residual income through the Drop Funnels affiliate and through the Aweber affiliate. If you can build those two up, those are both monthly subscriptions of tools that everybody needs, and it's going to be something that I plan on paying for my Drop Funnels account for months and years to come, because I'm going to be building everything on it. So that is something that you want to be, building a referral basis. You can get that up to, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per month just from Drop Funnels. That would be an amazing source of income. So go through, set it up. Let me know what you guys think. Shoot me a message on Facebook. I look forward to talking to you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Stay blessed. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure, if you made it this far, you're a hustler. I really appreciate you staying to the end of this video. One thing I do ask is make sure hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you know every time I come out with a video. And if you made it this far, just take one extra second, hit that thumbs up button. It might not seem like a lot, but it'll really help me get this video out, and it'll really help me, help as many people make some money as physically possible. So my goal is to create these systems with you in mind, so that I can set it up, right? I can do all the heavy lifting, and I can launch these systems to you. You can copy them and send traffic and make money, okay? I don't set these systems up so that I can make money per se, although I will, because I'm implementing the same thing you are doing. I set these systems up so that other people can use them, because I know filming videos, knowing what to say, being on the camera, stuff like that, it's not the funnest, right? It makes people nervous. So that's why I set these sales funnels up. That's why I do these videos, to help you guys make money. All right, so thank you for tuning in. Dylan Afazio here. Make sure, hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it, and have a great day.